Hi lovelies, Megandeborah here. So I do apologize for the delay on this video on my Roblox creation. However, obviously the last 6 months has been very difficult for me. I've had a lot of things go on, and to be honest, life gets in the way sometimes, and content creation and juggling all the lovely things in life, sometimes it gets pushed aside. I would like to say now that I am focused on my content creation. However, I don't know what you guys want to see next. Give me some suggestions, I need it. I don't know what to do next. I do apologize for the delay on this YouTube video. However, it's here. I finally completed editing it. It's been a rough time, so please be kind and make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be turning myself into a Roblox character again. This time it is a fan favorite. It is going to be, hopefully I can put it here. This is Lucy's character. Basically, she is a giant Kit Kat. So I'm gonna show you how to basically become that. Okay lovelies, first of all, we need a large bit of cardboard. Secondly, we need a ton of red paint. Don't open it from the top, no. Open it from the lid, because we're gonna pour it all out. Then we're just gonna slosh it around and paint it all, because why not? And finally, we're gonna let it dry. Now what you need is a ruler. If you have one, I had a giant ruler, so that was great. So I used a ruler and I basically stenciled out the word Kit Kat. I did freehand the A because it's a special A and obviously you can't use a ruler for that. Once you have stenciled your Kit Kat, then we're gonna paint it in. So what do you need? You need white paint. And what did I do? I just started pouring on white paint. I didn't care. And then I decided, because the Kit Kat had a little bit of a circle, a brown circle, I actually did a brown circle around. No, I'm not the best painter, so it wasn't perfect, but I did the best I could with the resources that I was given. I got some stuff. I don't know how good it is, but I got this. Now this is going to be part on me, on my arms, the part on my face. I got some ribbed non-roll elastic. This is purely so that I can have straps. I got some red shorts because I thought I would need red shorts, but then I realized I actually had red pants at home, so I didn't really need red shorts. Anyway, so this is dry. It's dried bent, but I'm gonna cut around it because this stuff is just a little bit too not usable, and I'm gonna cut around the edge. Right, okay, so body measurement, it's still taller than me, but that's okay. It can still be taller than me, that's fine. I just can't bend with it. Simple as that. But it does need to be the K up the top and that at the bottom. So now, to get these around, I'm going to have to stab a hole here. There we go. And here. And then I just gotta, oh yeah, ooh. I really want it so that it goes in and around my neck. Ooh, get through the hole and I can make my Roblox elastic is cool because you can literally use elastic for anything. So we're going to hold on to this for another time. But okay, this is the really fun bit. Making the headpiece. I don't know if this is gonna work. So let's get it. Now I'm gonna do this. Please, please work. Hi. I'm gonna cut, not exactly at the leg, but just below it. Okay, so it's time to start putting my costume all together. I'm thinking the good ends should be at the start of my hand. Now, and what a look this is. So I go quiet here and I'm putting on my mask and I'm just thinking to myself, why am I doing this to myself? What is the meaning of life? Why am I doing this? Is this a creepy smile? Ethan!
What?
Is this a creepy smile?
Yeah,
This is where my real eye is, so I'm just shutting my eye. It's so creepy. Oh, this is like nightmares. Why did she pick such a creepy Roblox character? It's so creepy. I look like one of those horror things. So I have reviewed myself and I am in fact very creepy, but that's okay. I am just going to fix up my smile. Oh, look. So I'm almost done and I was filming, but then I realized she has a headpiece and now I can't find the headpiece, and I remember it being in the lounge room, but I can't find it. And I'm tearing everything apart because I really need it. So we found it. It was by the computer after I had a hissy fit. Oh, this is just so creepy. So creepy. And it's lopsided right now. Da, 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 da. It's so funny.
It's so creepy.
Creepy mask man. Woman. Yeah. I want to do a pretty Roblox character next time. I want to do this
Weird stuff. Weird headphones.
No, I don't. I want to do a normal one. Nah, normal's boring. I don't know if I'll do another one. Do you guys enjoy it? It depends on how viral this one goes. I feel like people are going to be like,
What the flip?
but that's okay. We'll go with the punches. Anyway, I'll show you my final look. So this is terrifying, but this is the final look. Dun 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 dun. This is the final look. I've done it in slow-mo because we want the dramatic effect. And this is judgment time. Have I made the Roblox character that we all set out to hate and love at the same time? Have I pulled it off? Am I ever going to wear this again? Have I wasted my time? Probably.
I worry about you sometimes.
Hope you enjoyed. Bye. I worry about me sometimes too.
He's so creepy.